Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been working with regular IR verbs in the present tense. In this lesson we're going to work with a very important IR verb, the verb recibir, which means to receive. It also means to get in the sense of to receive. Remember that recibir is a regular IR verb in the present tense, which means if you know the endings for regular verbs in the present tense, you can easily use this verb. Remember, the first thing is to remove the IR from recibir, and that leaves you with the root. And at this point, all you have to do is add your ending. So the ending O goes with yo recibo. Yo recibo, I receive, I do receive, I am receiving. You receive, tú recibes. The formal you receive, usted recibe, he receives. Él recibe, she receives. Ella recibe, we receive. Nosotros recibimos, you receive, the vosotros, which is used in Spain, or the vosotras. Vosotros recibís, you receive, the plural you. Ustedes reciben, and finally they receive. Ellos or ellas reciben. So the 6 forms of the verb are recibo, recibes, recibe, recibimos, recibís, reciben. Some common nouns that are used with recibir are cartas, so we could say something like muchas cartas, a lot of letters, a lot of email, mucho correo electrónico. So let's put that together with some examples. If I want to say I receive a lot of letters, I would say recibo muchas cartas. I receive a lot of email, recibo mucho correo electrónico. She receives a lot of letters, ella recibe muchas cartas. She receives a lot of email, ella recibe mucho correo electrónico. They receive a lot of letters, ellos reciben muchas cartas. They receive a lot of email. Ellos reciben mucho correo electrónico. Remember that recibir also means to get in the sense of receive. So if you want to say I get a lot of letters, it would be the same. Recibo muchas cartas. I get a lot of email. Recibo mucho correo electrónico. She gets a lot of letters. Ella recibe muchas cartas. She gets a lot of email. Ella recibe mucho correo electrónico. They get a lot of letters, ellos reciben muchas cartas. They get a lot of email, ellos reciben mucho correo electrónico. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.